In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Google Analytics report. Let's dive right in and explore how you can quickly and efficiently do this from your Google Analytics 4 or GA4 dashboard. First, you'll want to open up your GA4 account on your preferred browser. Once you're in, navigate to the Reports section. Let's say, for instance, you want to check out an engagement report. You could select something like the Pages and Screens report. This section provides insights on how users are interacting with different pages of your website, which can be incredibly valuable for assessing the effectiveness of your content. Once you've made your way into the report, it's important to tailor it to suit your specific needs. Take a moment to set your desired date range. This will ensure that you're looking at the most relevant data for the time period you're interested in. Look towards the top of the interface, where you can adjust your date settings. Also, consider applying any necessary filters or segments. These allow you to narrow down the data to more specific audience behavior, tailoring insights to specific demographics or user behaviors. Now that your report reflects the precise data you want, it's time to share or download it. Find the Share this report icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will present you with several options. For the purposes of downloading, select the option labeled Download File. You'll then be prompted to choose a file format. Here, you have a couple of choices. If you're planning to do some number crunching or visual data analysis, you might prefer to download the report as a CSV file. This format integrates seamlessly with most spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, making it easy to manipulate the data further. On the other hand, if you need to share your report with colleagues or present it as is, choosing the PDF format might suit you better. PDFs are great for maintaining the layout and look of your report, making it easy to read without the need for further editing. Once you've selected your preferred format, the file will begin downloading directly to your device. Remember, the current table data will be included in your download, carrying up to about 5,000 rows. And that's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've tailored a report, chosen the ideal format, and downloaded your Google Analytics data ready for further analysis or sharing. Wrapping up here, remember that understanding these reports can significantly enhance your insight into user behavior and improve your strategy moving forward. Thanks for watching, and take care.